With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. Question that was given to us was in a triangle ABC, sides A, B, C are in AP, then value of tan A by 2 multiplied by tan C by 2 is equals to. So it was given that the A, B, C are in AP. We can say that A, B, C are in AP. So the formula for the AP is equals to, it will become 2 times of B is equals to A plus C, because we can say that the value of B is equals to A plus C by 2. This was in the AP. When this 2 comes this side, will come 2B is equals to A plus C. Let this equation be the first equation. So now we know that half angle formula, the half angle formula in the tan, that is, we can write it as tan of A by 2. This will be equals to the under root of S minus B multiply by S minus C. This is whole under root divided by S multiply by S minus A. Similarly, we can write this formula for the tan of C by 2. So this will be equals to the S minus A multiply by S minus B divided by S multiply by S minus C. So from here we get the value that if we multiply tan A by 2 multiply by tan C by 2, and here we can say that S is equals to, semi perimeter. We know that here S is equals to semi perimeter. So if we multiply tan A by 2 multiply tan C by 2, so this will be equals to, we can take whole of big under root and we get S minus B multiply by S minus C divided by S multiply by S minus A, and this will be multiply by S minus A multiply by S minus B divided by S multiply by S minus C. So this S minus A and this S minus A cancel out, and this S minus C and S minus C cancel out. So we get that the value of tan of A by 2 multiply by tan of C by 2 is equals to the, this will become S minus B whole square. This will be equals to the S minus B whole square divided by S square. So now this under root is cancelled out by this square root. So we get the value that tan of A by 2 multiply by tan of C by 2 is equals to the S minus B divided by S. We get this value. And now we know that if we multiply by 2 numerator and denominator, so we get this will be equals to the 2S minus 2B divided by 2S. We can say that this will be equals to 2S minus 2B divided by 2S. And we know that the value of semi perimeter, so the semi perimeter, we all know that semi perimeter, that is equals to S is equals to A plus B, that is addition of all the three sides, plus C divided by 2. So now here we will put the value of 2S, that is 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. So we get A plus B minus of 2B divided by, we get 2 of S. So we get this was equals to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. And we know that the value of, so from here we get that this will be equals to the, it will become A plus C minus B divided by A plus B plus C. And we know the value that A plus C is equals to, that it was in AP, that plus A plus C is equals to 2B. So we get that A plus C is equals to 2B, we know that. So from here we put the value that is A plus C is 2B, so 2B minus B divided by B plus, we can say that A plus C is 2B. So this will be equals to 2B minus B is B divided by 3B. So B and B cancel out. So we can say that the value of tan A by 2 tan of a by 2 multiply by cot of a by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.